In the vast landscape of human potential, one name stands tall, casting an illuminating glow over the minds of countless seekers of success. Earl Nightingale, a man who began his journey in the depths of adversity, transforming his life through the sheer power of thought and belief. Nightingale became a beacon for those yearning to unlock the secrets of their own minds. His teachings reverberate through time, encapsulating the idea that we are all what we think about, and every thought we entertain shapes our reality. Picture this: you, standing at the crossroads of your life, holding the key to an extraordinary existence. Yet often, the weight of the world convinces you that greatness is meant for others. But let me tell you something earth-shattering. Inside you lies an indomitable spirit, a powerhouse poised to break free from the confines of self-doubt and limitation. The outside world may bombard you with noise, urging conformity and mediocrity, yet your inner strength, if harnessed, can become an unstoppable force, propelling you toward your dreams. What if I told you that your limitations are illusions crafted by fear, and the only thing standing between you and your grandest desires is the courage to embrace what Earl Nightingale profoundly illustrated, that success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal? Imagine that. Imagine waking each day fueled by purpose, aware that every moment unfolds as a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. And in that profound realization lies the invitation to rise. As you stand poised on the brink of transformation, it's vital to understand the incredible power of your mindset. Each day, your thoughts act like seeds. What you plant in the fertile ground of your mind will eventually blossom into your reality. Picture this: if you nurture the seeds of positivity, ambition, and resilience, you cultivate a garden teeming with opportunities. But if you allow doubt, negativity, and fear to take root, they will flourish, choking out your potential. This pivotal moment is yours to seize. You don't need to be born into wealth or privilege to rise. What you require is an unwavering belief in yourself and your dreams. When you commit to a clear goal, the universe starts conspiring for your success. Imagine transforming that dream into a roadmap. The specific actions you can take each day to draw closer to your vision. By breaking your larger dreams into smaller, attainable goals, you create a sense of momentum. Each small victory fuels your determination, sparking joy and invigorating your spirit. Engaging with this powerful process rewires your brain, helping to shift your focus away from fear, instead creating a pathway toward achievement. As you pursue your worthy goal, remember, you are not merely chasing a destination. You are growing into the person capable of achieving it. With every step, the shadows of self-doubt fade, revealing the brilliance that is authentically you. Embrace this journey and let your life become a remarkable tapestry of purpose and passion. As you delve deeper into this journey, it's essential to recognize the incredible role of habits in shaping your life. Think of your daily routines as the invisible architect of your destiny. Each morning, you rise with the potential to design your day. Yet how often do you unknowingly slip into patterns that no longer serve you? This is your golden opportunity to reassess and redefine those habits, turning them into your strongest allies. Imagine this: every action you take today is a brushstroke on the masterpiece that is your life. Establishing positive habits can feel like planting seeds in a garden. each one nurturing growth, encouraging creativity, and yielding bountiful results. Take a moment to reflect on 3 habits you can introduce into your routine. Whether it's dedicating just 10 minutes to mindfulness, setting aside time to read inspiring material, or jotting down your goals each night, these small shifts can create monumental changes over time. Now, envision the energy that flows through a person who rises with intention, who approaches each task with purpose and excitement. This individual radiates vitality, attracting opportunities and forging connections that propel them forward. You too possess this power. The more you commit to these newfound habits, the more they strengthen your mindset and propel you toward your goals. Each day becomes an adventure, full of possibilities, and with focused intention, you'll discover that ordinary moments can turn into extraordinary breakthroughs. As you cultivate these transformative habits, it's essential to recognize the impact of your environment on your journey. Surrounding yourself with positivity is not just a choice, it's a necessity. Think of your surroundings as the fertile soil that nourishes your growth. Are you surrounded by people who uplift you, who inspire you, and who believe in your dreams? Or do you find yourself weighed down by negativity and doubt? This is your moment to curate a nurturing atmosphere that resonates with your aspirations. Imagine stepping into a space filled with encouragement, creativity, and support. Visualize friends, family, or mentors who celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and who challenge you to push beyond your limits. When you intentionally choose to engage with individuals who reflect your hopes and ambitions, you ignite a powerful synergy. Their energy becomes a spark that fuels your passion and determination. Conversely, if your environment is filled with naysayers or toxic influences, it can drain your motivation and cloud your vision. Recognize the need to distance yourself from negativity and seek out those who resonate with your goals. This might mean joining a community of like-minded individuals, attending workshops, or even curating your online presence to follow inspiring content. As you reshape your environment, you're forging a path lined with potential, where inspiration flows freely and opportunities are ripe for the taking. This is not merely about disconnecting from negativity. It's about actively inviting a whirlwind of positive energy into your life, which will propel you toward the extraordinary. As you embark on this transformative adventure, it's vital to embrace the power of self-discipline. Think of discipline as the backbone of your progress, a reliable ally that supports you every step of the way toward your aspirations. While motivation may flicker like a candle flame, discipline is the steady torch that illuminates your path, guiding you through challenges and distractions. Imagine waking up each day committed to your goals, not merely reacting to the whims of life, but striking a conscious, determined stance. Visualize yourself setting boundaries, prioritizing your time, and being proactive in pursuing your dreams. It's about getting up early to write that novel, dedicating weekends to honing your skills, or simply saying no to activities that don't align with your aspirations. These actions create a ripple effect, amplifying momentum and stoking your inner fire. Self-discipline is less about rigid rules and more about nurturing the habits that shape you into the person you want to be. Consider discipline as your personal trainer, guiding you to push past comfort and achieve greatness. With every small sacrifice, you flex the muscle of perseverance, growing stronger and more resilient in the face of temptation. As you cultivate this quality, you'll discover that challenges transform into opportunities for growth. Each commitment you uphold fortifies your resolve, allowing you to navigate life's ups and downs with unshakable confidence. Embrace this empowering journey. As you navigate this exhilarating journey of self-discovery and growth, it's essential to cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Gratitude acts as a powerful magnet, drawing in positivity and abundance while repelling negativity and doubt. When you practice gratitude, you shift your focus from what you lack to the wealth of blessings in your life, creating a vibrant ripple effect that resonates throughout your entire existence. Start each day by taking a moment to reflect on 3 things you are grateful for, no matter how small. This simple act can set a positive tone for your day and infuse your mind with light. Imagine walking through your daily routine with a heart full of appreciation. Every interaction becomes richer, and every challenge transforms into a valuable lesson. As you open your eyes to the beauty that surrounds you, you'll notice opportunities that once seemed hidden, arising in the most unexpected places. Gratitude encourages an abundance mindset, allowing you to see that the universe is conspiring in your favor, nudging you toward your dreams. Consider how gratitude affects not just your mood, but also your relationships. When you express appreciation to those around you, you strengthen connections and build a powerful support network. This web of positivity can create a nurturing embrace. Embrace this vital element and let it guide your steps toward a fulfilling life. As you delve even deeper into this transformative journey, it's crucial to harness the power of visualization. Picture this: your mind is a canvas, and every vibrant thought serves as a brushstroke, illustrating the masterpiece of your future. When you engage in visualization, you're not just dreaming, you're actively shaping your desired reality. Close your eyes and imagine your goals as if they've already been achieved. Feel the emotions that rush through you, the exhilaration of success, the satisfaction of realizing your dreams. This isn't mere fantasy. It's a powerful technique that can align your subconscious with your aspirations. Now, think about how athletes and successful people use visualization to enhance their performance. They see themselves scoring the winning goal or delivering a successful presentation before it even happens. By mentally rehearsing success, they build confidence and prepare their minds for real-life execution. Imagine if you could do the same. Engaging in this practice daily allows you to foster clarity and certainty concerning your goals. Set aside a few minutes each day to visualize your ambitions, feeling every emotion as if you are experiencing them right now. This unique habit can ignite your motivation, fueling the fire of ambition and inspiring action. When your mind believes in the possibility of your dreams, it creates a bridge to turn them into reality. Now is the time to unleash the transformative impact of visualization and let your imagination propel you toward the extraordinary life you seek. Embrace the transformative potential of collaboration as you stride confidently into a world brimming with possibilities. Picture this: each individual you meet is a unique puzzle piece, and when you connect with others, you complete a vibrant picture that showcases your collective strengths. Collaboration is more than just working together. It's about igniting creativity, inspiring innovation, and enhancing growth. The synergy that emerges when diverse minds come together can propel you toward the extraordinary. Think about the power of a brainstorming session where ideas flow freely and sparks ignite between collaborators. When you engage with others, you open yourself up to new perspectives, learn from different experiences, and build a support network that empowers you to leap toward your dreams. Reach out to those who share your passions and values. Join forces, share ideas, and celebrate each other's victories. Let the energy of collaboration fuel your ambitions and shape your path to success. Visualize yourself surrounded by a circle of support, a collective cheering you on, sharing resources, and keeping you accountable. Imagine attending workshops, networking events, or community activities that expose you to new faces, each bringing their own light to your journey. By fostering these connections, you're not just building relationships, you're building a legacy of teamwork and shared aspirations. The vibrant tapestry of collaboration can redefine your journey, turning individual goals into shared triumphs. Lean into this experience and watch as the universe responds with a wealth of opportunities ready to be seized. As you arrive at this pivotal moment, take a deep breath and reflect on the extraordinary journey you've embarked upon. You've navigated the mountains of challenge and crossed rivers of doubt, and now you stand at the threshold of your own greatness. The path forward brims with potential, painted with the vibrant colors of opportunity, waiting for you to take the next step. Remember, this isn't just a destination. It's a lifelong adventure of growth, purpose, and connection. Embrace the knowledge that you are equipped with the tools to sculpt your reality. Carry with you the lessons of self-belief, gratitude, and visualization as your guiding stars. Reach out to those who uplift you and trust in the power of collaboration, because together you can achieve far more than you could alone. Life is meant to be lived fully and passionately. Dare to dream big and chase those dreams with unwavering determination. As you dive into this journey of transformation, don't keep this wisdom to yourself. Share your experiences and the insights you've gained with others who may be yearning for inspiration. Encourage them to embark on their own journey of self-discovery. If you found value in this message, take a moment to subscribe, like, and share this video with others. Your voice can spark the flame of possibility in someone else's life. Together, let's create a ripple effect that inspires and uplifts the world. The extraordinary is within your reach. Now go and seize it.